Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that you have an empty USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Creating the bootable drive will erase all the existing data on it, so make sure it's empty. Then, go and open your web browser, and you would like to just type in the URL Windows 10 as an example, drive or download. So once you do so, you'll find yourself here with this first link. All you need to do is make sure to choose a link with a Microsoft link. Do not go to any other link. So once you click on it, you'll find yourself here. So you'll find this option as example to download now. As you can see, creates Windows 10 installation media. So from there, just click on download now. Once you click on download now, save it as an example onto your PC. So once it's downloaded as an example, you'll have to go and run it. So to run that, all you need to do just go where it's downloaded and double click on it. So it'll ask for some permission, click on yes, and then you'll find the window of Microsoft. Getting things ready for you. Just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time, depending of course on your PC, but normally it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. So Windows will ask for permissions, just click on yes. Here you would like to accept the license terms and click on accept. Again, it will go through getting a few things ready for you. Just wait a bit. It will take from 30 again seconds to 1 minute. So just give it some time. Basically, after that, you will choose your preferred language, edition, and architecture. And if you are creating a USB for the same computer, so as you can see, you will be able to upgrade this PC now or create an installation media, a USB flash drive. Use that, click on next, and here they will choose the recommended options for this PC. So the language will be English, edition will be Windows, and the architecture as well. If you want, you can leave it as it is. If you want to change it, if it's check, just remove the check and change the language as you want. Edition, you can change it because it's Windows 10. For the architecture, you'll be able to change it. So do whatever you want with that and click on next. Here you can choose which media to use. So we would like to choose USB flash drive. Click on next, and here you will have to select your USB flash drive. So for me, I have only one, but it's not empty for now, so I will not be able to do it. For you, if you don't see, as an example, your flash drive, just remove it and choose another port or something like that, then click on refresh drive list, and it should appear. Once it appears normally, you'll have to click on next. If it's not empty, they'll ask you that they are going to clear it. They are going to delete everything on the drive. So as you can see, for me, I'm not going to wait for this progress until it's finished. So I'm going to quit that. As I said, because my USB drive is not empty. For you, just wait for it until it's finished. And basically, the media creation tool will download the latest Windows 10 files and basically make your USB bootable. So this process may take several minutes depending on your internal or internet speed. Once it's finished, you will find yourself with this. Let me just show you here as an example. Let me just go to this PC. So you'll find yourself with your USB drive looking like that. So we'll have all these files with setup exe and everything. You don't have to do anything. Now you can just go and plug it into the PC that you want to download or install Windows 10 on it, and you will have to boot from the USB itself, and you will be able to start the installation process from there. Of course, you will have to open your boot menu for that or BIOS and select the USB drive for the boot device. If you don't know how, you can find how depending on your PC, because it will be different keys depending on the PC that you have. So that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful or if you find this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.